Buongiorno a tutti. Thanks for joining me again in my little kitchen here in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name is Francesco and today I'm finally going to use the little cauliflower that I have left over from Monday, and being as it's so small, I'm going to have some fun with it and try and experiment. One of my favourite cauliflower dishes is this Sicilian cauliflower that is stewed in red wine with anchovies and a little bit of cheese and spring onions. It's really delicious. What I'm going to do today is a version in the frying pan that's going to be much quicker. I'm going to use anchovies, a handful of raisins, some chili just to brighten things up a bit, and some spring onion, some parsley at the end just to brighten things up because it's not the prettiest of dishes, but it is absolutely a fantastic combination. Cauliflower and red wine is something you have to try. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I hope you enjoy. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, come back and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need cauliflower, red wine, anchovies, spring onion, raisins, grated pecorino cheese, chili and parsley.